Namaste, Bacha. In this video, we are going to learn the book back exercise of the lesson 6, Murga or Lomadi. Shall we go for the video? Let's join. Shabdarth. Before that, we just learn the word meanings, okay? What is that? Kukhar. What is Kukhar? Bhayanak or Daravana. That is bloodthirsty or scary. Now, Dharna is, we already know that. Fear. Yeah, fearful animals or here, the scary or dangerous. Okay. Samajar. Samajar matlab hai. Khabar, that is news. Samjauda. Samjauda matlab hai. Meal. Sulah, that is compromise or agreement. Hamla. Akraman. Hamla matlab attack. क्षमा करना माफ करना that is forgive or sorry. Raksha, bachao, to protect. Clear? Here, the first exercise of this lesson, पाठज्ञान. सही उत्तर पर का निशान लगाइए. That is the tick the right answers. Okay. The first one, लोमड़ी ने पेड़ की डाल पर किसे देखा? What the fox did in the what the fox see in the branches of the tree? Hey, मोर्ग ने देखा, right? Yes. So मोर्ग को डाल पर देखा, right? Here the answer is the second option. मोर्ग ने लोमड़ी को दूर से किसी से आने की बात बताई. What the cow told the fox that something is coming from away, right? What is that? शेर के. शेर मतलब, who is that? शेर मतलब है lion. No. हाथी के. No. शिकारी कुत्तों के. Yeah. Hunting dogs. This is the answer. Then लोमड़ी वहां से क्यों चली गई? Why the fox leave that place? शिकारी कुत्तों के डर से. Because of the fear of hunting dogs. Yeah, that is the answer. Yes. शेर के आ जाने से the lion was coming. No. अपनी गलती पकड़े जाने से. It is telling that that mistake of fox is identified. No, it is not identified. The fox played a tricky game, and in turn, the cock also replied with a trick, right? So here the answer is Shikari Kutton ki डर से. Okay. The next one. Second, answer these questions. Okay. प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. Okay. The first one. लोमड़ी कहाँ से जा रही थी? Yeah. Where did the fox coming from? लोमड़ी गांव के रास्ते से जा रही थी. Yeah, it's coming from the way of village. लोमड़ी क्यों घबरा गई? What is that घबरना? घबरा means afraid. Why the fox get afraid? लोमड़ी ने घूमकर शिकारी कुत्तों के आने की बात बताई. ये बात सुनकर लोमड़ी घबरा गई. What is that? Yeah, Gavani here about the dangerous dogs, hunting dogs coming in that way. That's why he become afraid of that matter, because he afraid of the hunting dogs. That's why he got afraid. Next one, लोमड़ी ने भागने से पहले क्या कहा? Yeah. Yes, लोमड़ी ने भागने से क्या कहा? जंगल में समझौता का समाचार कुत्ते ने ना. Yeah, for भागना means for escaping. To escape, what the getting before escaping, what that fox told to मूर्ख. जंगल में समझौते का समाचार कुत्तों ने ना सुना हो. Yeah. What the fox told? Yeah, the compromise between the animals and the birds is not yet known by that hunting dogs. That is what said to the cock and escaped from that situation. आप मोर के जहक होते तो क्या करते? If you are in that place of cock, then what you do? What you do? Yeah, we also do some other tricky. Maybe this is not like a, so if we say a share coming, that also get afraid by the share, right? That Lomadi, right? Yeah, we also made some tricky plans, right? Yeah, this is what the answer. मोर ग्लोमड़ी के बातों में नहीं आया और पेड़ पर बैठा. By hearing the words of fox, the cock would not come down. It sit on that branch only, right? और उससे अपनी रक्षा भी कर ली. And by that way, the cock saved himself, right? हम मुर्गा को जहाँ कहते तो यही करते. If we also in that situation, we also do the same. We do not come down. We say some other matter to fox and make that fox move away from that place, and we will not come down and make us dangerous. So this is what telling it. Okay. The third one. किसने कहा सोच कर लिखिए. Think and write the correct answer. Okay. वाक्य. मुर्ग को तो जमीन पर चलते फिरते रहना चाहिए. What is that? The cock used to walk here and there on the ground. We are sitting on the branches of the tree. That was asked by Lomadi. Yes, first asked to cock. Second one. ये तो बड़ा अच्छा समाचार है, isn't it? It is a very good news. Said by cock. Yes. Yeah, मुर्ग ने कहा. ऐसी बात है अच्छा. ऐसी बात है अच्छा. Who told that? When the fox asked the cock, "Where are you looking for?" The cock said, "There's some hunting dogs coming here." Oh, ऐसी बात है. Oh, that is the matter. Okay. It was told by Lomadi. Lomadi ने कहा. पशु पक्षियों में तो समझौना हो गया है ना? Yeah, yeah, it was told by whom? Morg. Morg, when folks wanted to escape from the situation, I say, okay, mate, I'm going right now, like that, the fourth said. For that, what the Morg said instantly, पशु पक्षियों में तो समझौना हो गया ना. You only told, why are you getting afraid of? ये घबरना क्यों? Because you only told that there's a compromise going in between Pashu Pakshiyo. Then where are you going? It's asked by Morg. So Pashu Pakshiyo में तो समझौना हो गया है ना? It is told by Morg. Okay. Then पढ़िए, समझिए और याद कीजिए. Read, understand and learn. First one, अचानक. अचानक means एकाएक. Or sasa. Both all are same meaning. Okay. डाल, शागा, डहनी. पक्षी, चिड़िया, खग. Okay. Then opposite. गांव opposite शहर. गांव है village. Opposite शहर is town. आज means today. कल means tomorrow. दूर opposite pass. दूर means far. Pass is near. Okay, far opposite near. Okay. The next one, शब्दों की जोड़ बनाइए. Make some pairs in relation with each other. Okay. Let us see the words. Okay. चलते फिरते. What is that? चलते फिरते. They are already given. The चलते is moving or standing. Okay. गाते. खाते means eating. पीते, drinking. पढ़ते means studying. लिखते, writing. उड़ते मतलब है But they stand up. But bite they, that is sit. Sote, that is sleeping. Jate, wake up. Uchalte is jumping. And what is that? Yeah, kute. Kute also the same meaning of jumping. Here it is not showing that clearly. It's kute. Here it is the word. Kute. Okay, is that clear? Hope you all understand this. Next one. Shuddhalek Ligni. That is new words of this lesson. Okay, listen and write. Okay. Zameen, ground. And what is Gokar? Bloodthirsty animal. Bloodthirsty. Okay. Lomadi, Murga, Suchmuch, Samachar, Bayanak. These are the new words in this lesson. Okay. Do you understand? Again. Again. Zameen, ground. Kukar, bloodthirsty. Lomadi, fox. Murga, cock. Sujbuj. What is Sujbuj? Wisdom. Like clever. Okay. Samaja. News. Bayanak. Scary. These are the meaning for the words. These are the new words of this lesson. Okay. Pasha boat. We are going to see the Pasha boat. That is change into many. That is eight say anik. That is singular plural. Right. We already know the singular plural. The first one. Murg. Murga, morge. We say murga, morge. Like that, lomadi, lomadiya. So here we have to use a ki matra and here yam, right? So this is you have to done this as homework. Okay, you have to do this as homework. I just explained this. Okay, morga, morga, morge, kutta, kutte, khoda, khode, Gatha, Kade, okay. Lomadi, Lomadiya. Billy, Billiya. Machali, Machaliya. Here, E ki matra turn to E ki matra. Okay, that you have to understand. Lomadi, here Lomadiyam. So, the E ki matra turns to E ki matra. That is the one matter you have to understand. Okay. Billy, Billiam. Machli, Machliyam. Gilhari, Gilhariyam. Now it's clear? Okay, next. Next. Yes. शब्दों के सहायता से वाक्य पूरा कीजिए. Complete the sentence with the help of the correct word. Okay. Here we have to use say, ko, ni, par, ki. These are the words that we have to use in this blank place. Okay. The first one already given us example. लोमड़ी ने मुर्गे को एक पेड़ की डाल पर देखा. Like that. The next one. लोमड़ी डैश उसे नीचे जमीन डैश उतरने के लिए कहा. What is that? लोमड़ी ने उसे नीचे जमीन पर उतरने के लिए कहा. Okay. मूर्ख ने सूक्ष्म. What is सूक्ष्म? Wisdom. Okay. Dash अपनी जान बचाई. What is that? Already given one helping word, that is ne. मूर्ख ने सूक्ष्म say. What come here? Say. मूर्ख ने सूक्ष्म से अपनी जान bachai. Clear? The last one here is the sound of the animals. Yeah, first one we already know. Who is that? The Murga. Murga ko cook to cook, right? Yeah, that is. The next one is the kawa. Kawa means cow. Cow, right? Yes. Then who is next? Tota. Tota no? T, 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 t. That is tain, tain. Okay. The next one here is the kutta. Kutta to bow, bow. Kutta ka sound? Bow, bow. The next one is a Billy. Meow, meow. Right? Yes. And the last one, Metak. Metak is, who is that? Metak is frog. The sound of frog is tar, dar, 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 like that. Tar, dar, dar. Yeah, tar, 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 tar. Like that sound made by frog, right? So these are the sound. You have to understand the sound of all the animals here. Okay. Again, I'm telling the first one, the animal name is, the bird name is Murga. Murga to cook to cook. Okay. The next one, kawa. Cow, cow. Then tota. Tota to कैसा है तोता टिंग टिंग okay the next one kutta kutta to bow bow and billy meow meow and the last one is medak 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 ka sound hey dar 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 clear yeah we already explained this one right मूर्ख अधिक that is होशियार दाल या लोमड़ी क्यों सोच कर लीजिए you just think and write you're just asking who is more clever is that cock or fox we all know that fox is very intelligent and clever animal it uses trick to attain or to get anything it makes some plans and tricks that's why we all say crooked mind of fox right yeah here we know that the fox played a very tricky plan, right? But in this story, who is more clever? Cock. Okay. In this story, who is more clever? Who was more clever? Cock or fox? Think and answer. Here, what? Because of the wisdom played by that cock escaped from fox. So who is more clever in this story? It is cock only. Okay, not the fox here. What fox did, cock did? अपनी सूझबूझ से मूर्ख ने लोमड़ी से अपनी रक्षा की इसलिए मूर्ख अधिक होशियार था clear so here मूर्ख is more clever this is the end of the chapter the exercise is over just refer this video for doing that book back exercise okay okay bachon in this story we already learned about the the tricky plans and the game between the fox and the cock in this video we learned the book back exercise now hope see, see you in the next video thank you here signing off Divya